When it comes to maintaining your large commercial properties, Beacon Cleaning is here to go beyond your expectations. We understand that your business needs to represent your brand well, impress customers, and ensure the safety of your property. How do we do it? We utilize state-of-the-art mobile equipment designed specifically for commercial, industrial, and government facilities. Our cutting-edge technology allows us to clean hundreds of thousands of square feet per day, drastically reducing the time compared to traditional cleaning methods. We are able to schedule regular maintenance for your large property to ensure the safety and well-being of your operations. With over 15 years of experience in the industry, we have proudly served and cleaned over 20,000 commercial properties just like yours. Contact Beacon Cleaning today at 321-507-4851. Trust us to make your property shine.